I know that dua can change destiny, but what if I don't know how to make dua properly? I know that the Prophet ﷺ used to make certain du'as in certain situations, but what if I don't feel like I'm worthy of calling upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the way the Prophet ﷺ did? I have all of these problems in my life, and I don't feel like I know how to perfectly verbalize that to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and get the answer that I'm looking for. When you look through the guidance of the Prophet ﷺ, you don't just find the words that match your situation. You also find a beautiful approach to your Lord as a whole. And when you understand Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala better and understand how to call upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala like the Prophet ﷺ did, you also start understanding the world around you so much more and becoming that much more focused on the hereafter. Join us this Dhul Hijjah bi'idhnillah as we look through the du'as that change destiny as we learn them from the Prophet ﷺ.